Hello everyone, this is Musisi. Today we're going to talk about how to enable virtualization of the machine on your keyboard. On your keyboard, you're supposed to use function key F2, or sometimes you can use F12 according to how you set up your boot settings. I will show you both how it's done on Dell machine and an HP machine. For the case of Dell machine, I'll place F2 on my machine to access the settings. F2 is just here. Then after, it will give you such an interface. Then you use the downward arrow on your keyboard. That's down here, downward arrow, then you move it down up to virtualization support. Use the enter key on your keyboard, then it will expand the options. Then you move the downward key to access the virtualization. Then on your right there is this checkbox. You can check it using your mouse. Here, you can check it using your mouse. Check that box, and after checking the box below, there's an option of apply the settings you have just changed. When you apply, our virtualization has been done on our Dell machine. Press F10 to save the settings and exit for the case of HP. Now, for the case of my HP machine, I'll place F12. After setting up your virtualization in the boot settings, reboot your machine. Then when it turns on, search Oracle VirtualBox. I'll right click and open it in a new tab. Right now Oracle has released a new version. Oracle VirtualBox has released a new version 6.0. You can click on the button here, option for downloading. Then they will give you various options. Here on top we have Windows host, we have OS X, that is for Apple machines, then Linux distribution and Solix host. Then for our cases we are using Windows. I'll take the first option, Windows host. When I click on it, Windows host, it will start downloading. It's here. Checking downloads, it's here downloading. In a few seconds it will be done. It's just small, it's just 163 MBs. When it's done, then you click on show in folder so that you can see where the download is placed. Download, then I'll run my setup. After you click next, create start menu entries, create a shortcut on desktop. If you don't want to create a shortcut on your desktop, you can check it. If you don't want to any of these options, you can uncheck them. When you uncheck them, then they will not be shown where I don't want them. Then after I click next, then they ask you, warning, network interfaces, proceed with the installation now. Yes, then install. I'll be back in a few seconds when this installation is done. Click here, yes. As it is installing, you should take note, if you want external devices also to be connected in your virtual machine, you're supposed to go back to the website of the Oracle box. You go back to the virtual box. Then down here there is extension pack. Extension pack, that's the software that contains all the drivers that may help you, your external device like mouse, keyboard, and other USB stick, and any other external device you would like to add to your virtual box. If at all you're connected to internet, it will always pop out this information. That would you like to install the device software? You will say yes. This will help you to install the extension packs. It will download it from internet right away and it will install it on your machine. But if at all you're offline, you can just get the pack. You can download the pack. Download the pack here. You can click on it. It has both packs for Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. Pack is just here downloading. As our setup is installing, let's also get the pack 2. Then you click on finish. Oracle VirtualBox extension pack. Go to downloads. Then you click on Oracle VirtualBox extension pack. You are about to install virtual extension pack. Extension pack complements the functionality of the VirtualBox. Can system level software that could potentially harmful to you. You say install because this will help you to enable. When you check here, USB 2.0 and USB 3.0 host controllers, they will also be added to your VirtualBox. Without this, sometimes you can have failure of your USB flash to be identified, or your external hard disk to be identified in the VirtualBox. Click yes, then pass through all the agreement, then agree after you're done. Then when you're done with your installation, you're good to go now to add all types of operating system you like to add to your VirtualBox. It could be Windows, it could be Linux, it could be Linux Mint, it could be Mac OS, by just clicking here. Wait for my other video how you can be helped to add any operating system in your VirtualBox. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe, you can tell all your friends about my channel and what I always do. Like and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.